All right. Okay, matuto este pogo. All right, nega betsek seguro na esta la live este.
Yung lalala.
Okay. All right. Oh, wait, nega. Zatanan nega si sinot sinahi lokwe. Okay. All right. Esta gaigi hit gi Instagram betsek pogo ko men gagagya esta gi hungyan enegi man gaigit gi YouTube lokwe. Right. And enegi si sinot sinahi lokwe.
Chumilong na on niya.
Okay. All right. All right, man. Cabal is here, eh? Sidus masipri pasensun midzo. All right. All right. Buenas and half a day todos. Hamzu guanaw hudzung estigi nuevo na episode. Fanachu guahui host midzo. Tatlu. Si Michael Lupan Bavakwa. Zagof magof zu para esti na episode Fanachu. Sa gaigi gwinigi holam esti na podcast dos gof importante na tautau gof menhalum puri koturata si señor Noah Kitagua zan si señor Ben San Nicolas del Rosario hungan Paraguahu gof importante esti na dos tautau mafanagwi zu megay estina dos tautau gibundan koturata sa hungan atan zo inanho si Michael Luhan Bavakwa hafana klasen apudzidu Bavakwa goftit samoro adzuna apudzidu pues hungan baihu admiti estinai I have learned a lot ginin megay otro tautau megay manyay nahu taiguini estina dos cabadzero si Senor No Kitagua, then si Senor Bendel Rosario. Then gov magov zunay, na manhalem giesti na Zoom, giesti na podcast, pogo. Kasi kisinya ta diskuti esti un gov precisunay na asunto, respect, responsibility, and cultural research, za para ta gov attendi giesti i kompensasyon ta pogo i sinahi. Esti i simbolo na gi itatataw pogo, then itatataw niya si Senor. Zan hafa kumekilek niya sinahi ginin manu esti na sinahi lo I sinahi un simbolo zan esti ha representa maski I kultura ha lo taimanu na sinyat fan manaligaw put I finapus put I tautauta antes. How can we respectfully, how can we responsibly research our past? How can we understand our past? Hungan zagof importante sen importante esti sa atana pongo. How many of you are going out there nowadays? Una atan idzomu Facebook, una atan idzomu Instagram, pa TikTok, zengwaha esti na random na content, umanok, zengwaha AI, finatanas AI. Man, bud matsatsu esti senyor AI. Si I a day, si I lokwi, todo chempu gua nuevo na bidadanya. And it says, atanesti. Atani tautauta antes lo un gof atenza ti who recognize esti siempre ti samoru esti hadzi fu matines esti hadzi hu mahasuna esti I tautauta na esti historiata what koma bababa ilunya esti what man manu ginin manu I isitifakunya esti senor AI hadzi hu mescoladzi esti AI and so Gof Magovto, I'm so glad to be joined by Dos Caballero. And so, Senor, let's nihita introduce in my set. Este Gof Matungo Hamzuna dos lo, Senor, no, por favor, Hogo Finetna, Cosino introduce in my side, pues, Senor Sinai, Hogo después. So, por favor, Senor, Hogo.
Jesus masih no walker ko na ano za mapalawag din sa Saipan, Loman Hamya, zani bandanya na namin sa familia ni Carabao, amin si familia na Chiyak na ikitugwa na banda. Do deste bafanaguhu deste treson so intresol so no gar masyafa so soda ne utuli zo vice step tao so linga vice step di mami pampa ne fa si pag banda ng tigo pues Isedun na tempo ani Robinso zaman ko masya hafa kaleya no otso no jumbalingera no masya hafa da intereso uhoka zurukohi adai jana diniki besiga no muna famta ya binahahon ganung bisa salang kanoa early 60s because early I was thinking 1970s to tuhun no baru para lang tono manok kaso no masyafa na artifact lo pero sa fact bigyan ito manungo office siya na trustees man nata sa tutungo sa sigazo ni o manukoy sigazo no choge 9th grade monozo so monog archaeology 1977 is na litroti kay gigileblut ke forma mo fona kay gizgiza luta no sinatol kay gigito tonno na mas the earliest photograph of me na with the with Jim Moses that time. First, sumaga sa Saipan, Mount Pagkuleo, I continue research upon the Jota culture, the Chamorus, how is it na klaseng tao po sa suliin na ginariman ni Lutar follower sa man bapayla sa everything of fashion maisa so pas fashion tao ko Jotas ti mestiza and everything kasi jigil tutu muna separao hafa imported hafa ma introduce along get po Espanyol distineng kanu kanta masya hafa so matigi banda ni artifacts sumanya izo na artifacts ni banda ng antigo Pero konsigi college Minnesota, matuzumagi konsigi talo manok ka. Pues masa ng trisolzo, babito mo. So I'm pretty much like as an artisan, and I would say experimental archaeology. Sa gitodo di nakakusya na ni pamalo siya naman yung lutan Boston trisolzo is hafas din na process. Haffa ni mausa za taimano mafatinos niya. Edzgi mo si taimano mafatinos niya no tamano madulo kesti isinahi, tamano magweskwes haffa na mausa the never siya. Pues ani titon niya tambi ang tinatepo mga mapatsay ni manong ko sa siyempre man malongo, pues lumatoy oran man manaligo dyan ta usa sa balumo na manyanata nga eno siya na process ni pwede gulutado ni manayga mista usa so okay inigi sinitek ko na pues sige mo na no masa ni tisaldo po bandal different kinds of pottery. I did a lot of research on pottery, totally drawing, totally siya pre-Ladi period. Tamano mafatinos niya, tamano matsugan niya. Hasta siya di ang Chamorus faisen maisazo o open maisazo. Zausa mabuso sa sentigi mandali maninates pero niya na mano iso patatsogi sa tigawa. Bulan na totota. Bula siya una yung drawings ni Janofo sa finatinaso na siyempre naliim mo na lo ina pa no sinay para mo pa.
Oh, si Deus masi, senhor, si Deus masi. And senhor Sinai Hogo Pogo, por favor, introducing myself.
Okay. Morgen, boys, morgen, Sinai puri Sinai za bistroja amdunu gilau ju pura patai manu ilon lawa enggak Sinai artista indigenous ji ya artist puturata ya Allah hastagisia.
Oi, senhor, kogwa mas malago sumangan na puri, izomo biography or,
Enggak,
Enggak.
well, jadi okay. Jadi gitu tuh, no bulat tau tuh matungo puri ilati dan slingstone. Bula matsoge bula artista matsoge zo izin na klase na alahasia sa bula tali zo artifacts ya. 80s and early 90s zo bula boys matsoge zo. Pesa na humalumi na son sa morugi anay man campout siya na mandanya siya giadalu para ilan trust. Bula boys mandanya ezigi matutun anay matutun mausay ansyonu na artifacts sa moru. Pues ginezu na anok tolu alaosta. Kalau kita tunggu tu magahit apa tayo manong patausan no. Kalau tunggu na isinahi spondylus dan ikaray dan hima. Tulu no dan antes takti no apa no igwinahan niya takti. Pues ginenedyo na at Paraguay at ikitutu ni sinahi anay si onghit tumutun muna anok biya gagawin niya gi-protest. Pues gua boys gi nasyon anay maligizo gi gagawin niya no tatungo esti na dos na boys law mga kapisokan law ginenedyo na malakno si sinangan sinahi. Kasi ginenedyo ginenas ongit dani boys ginenedyo na sinangan waktu sinangan sinahi. Kasi ginenedyo na yan ay motay si angit taza tauto mogi no musa no malalas kwino ito di sinahi kabalis. Jadi malaskwi ay madulok. Terus mawagang gitu si Josalos Tagwata. Tusinya tu patinas nui alas onghit. Ezi po mahafud ang gwidza. Mauna tu dat na mapaisun tu kureno. Kasi patinas si sinai para onghit dan todi po bears. Tapos gwidza tu sinahi da mahafud si onghit di Pilipinas. Pesa ginenedzo ana popular pagun no todo ginenenu no staba no guane di itutuan man mamalo musa no sinai sa staba representa todo no itagi activism dan tagi pues ana humuzung tagi no commercials and TVs and todo si angis and todo. Ezigi atu like kagwi talu no ginin staba no Slingstone and Latistone dan pagu isinahi muzung pagu isinahi sa magayin na ikat lang sinahi sa gwiza zu magayi para agaw mo ito tutungo la para gwaw makat matugi sina klase na lahas antistokti makat matugi sina lahas pagu tani diamond bead tani rem. Pues para gwaw antistokti para to 3 kilo na tauto para 3 kilo esti na tauto para guides para to 3 kilo na tauto. Afamon Noel.
Do
Si Zeus Masi, na dos. Si Zeus Masi, and este gua tauto daniha esti na kompensasyon ilang yung uno na tauto gi YouTube buenas. I've been looking forward to this episode. Este gua tauto hungan so Masi, Zeus Masi para este. And so hungan, senyor, no, hungan nita continua esti na kompensasyon sa guaha tauto, guaha opinion niha. Put ginin manu esti na sinahi guaha Chamorus na tauto ilang giminagay esti kat hafenzo kat ga geru or kat ga gueru or sada gueru esti and guaha archaeologists manapaka na klase ng archaeologists ilang niya latsi hamzu lo giminagay zaniha sumangan naman latsi hamzu man natibo. Sa haga sa manauta sa nito iman gilogo zania sumangan man latsi hamzu. Siyempre, ti alahas taigwano, siyempre otrunay na usanya. Hago importante na hali para sa untungo archaeology na tiningo, untungo na nagwaha masasangan na tiningo lokwi oral history lokwi guaha matugi so pues hunga nihita guado kesti didi dinay
esta no baik si Zeus Masi do Pinana malagi sa bisangan na di uno giza ita ni mandalala pogo mandala da malitali until formatis panyo. Okay. Pada tasangin ano. Yo true pud bandan esti i alahas na bula klase na alahas sa gwa talo finat usini dao ni gof asan da ti chogu sa pirmin fandi amzu sa balagzo mo na gwa live stream pemalu man lutan nu sinai jadi pemalu siya kumugwajin misu kosan ezi thousand nu li nu malaga ta fanagli ta fana ambros mo na ta fana asyone yo true bisana siya di uno na samoro mas atungonda todo put samoro kulengwaki pun man na custom ipenga dan ikutura ni uno ni gwaku ni ogo ni sidak kada dia manununggu zo afa tungo za wasiseptas ti sa todo tungo ti todo intermenti tungo pun bandan hita io true bisangan esti na di presente na tausa tamana fenomono sinai contemporary name pawis sinahi na no chumiling
Nevudu na sinangan brother.
Olika
Yeah. True.
yeah so chumilong and na palabra sinahi is in reference to the waxing of the moon ja maga si enjo no finena no muusa ay nagagawa niya lo uno na kreto Pinoy si Richard Manglonya back in the early 80s ang nagagizuluta Elengnya si Richard Manglonya ni gagyan na sumasagi gizaluta na unbiya gizaluta sangani lenga ti sinahi ano layo mafanana ano kahlang okay tapatatan ni si kahlang sumilong sa nezi na palabra itahlang tahlang tugwekelinga puro un pesa kanay mo tahlang panenoy nizo ko nyahla lang panmakat no
Lagi kana.
ya kana na di tahlang na yung kana lo ini si Richard lo pago ni tausan no do ipumasongan na tisinahin no na sinker za isinker gifino sa moro kadgadero no tisinya no na kadgadero esti proprio sina that this shape it cannot be
No.
sa the AG sumongan mampusa honggi apa matugi za apa matugi gi ani ka manalalu artifacts in sa Hawaii katugi wab za tugi na it's a sinker
Apa tayo manu pun patinas on sakkan. Peson on guihan po chuli ju anay pun dagaw ju kitasi. Apa tayo manu ju. No.
Okay, hindi po ko na inibalago sa Doc Malago na panuwi illustration no yo sa tisinya no sinker sa no kadgadero sa irason do imafatinos niya esti sinahi is not supposed to press iodi sumangan din no iagali sa sinker na tapim ko taking censulu logwa but taloja Nagpataatan no tisinya na sumilong na para isinahi no ni istinakosa no sa sinker sa one of them it must makat mafatinas na alahas esti okay gof makat esti patasogi yo true janggin magohid na kadkaderos ti or sinker ne simpri wahag jiba fananan esti gifinota kaleku kaya scratches no sa esti sinahin como on pudum on duty papa gelu tosi gelu unay ja mafondo papa sinahin siyempre gwasya scratch kwini no ang ikarato lusa yotro ang gelu poli taking dan talaza ja purun unakhala siyempre there's a scratches here jela nga kaleku toza ti bostos itodo di sinahin yung faksay fino lamlam itodo di sinahin ni talili manbachakpa ini magi gihima no pues yotro adagim lengya na sa sinker ne hofana taza there's no evidence of artifacts of hundreds of this sinahi in one area which we can say that attacking of Chenchulu was lost and is put it into one. No, so it cannot be. Your true Eji daki unaji di trotu. In one of my photograph of my 5 sinahi that I share with Judy Flores, the second one. Now look at it. This one here. This is illustration. The sinahi, the way it is for me, the way it is strand is go from here, molung yung madluk, pas molung, pas musing taligop to site. Because video mogi magudi, matsaflinin sa poro medkut, poro niya lang. Jangin para kalkadero, zaman na holum, itali gini pas karon holla uste, estigi na site, ni gaigi madrig is it tolay area, the preach is the most critical part. It cannot be constantly pulled, no matter what. You're true. Basha na sinay from taginin na minadung is the right taginin na didikikit. Kanya na lang. So it doesn't have any weight. This one here illustration, this is a sinahi si nidanya si Primo si Franklin Mundo. Zaleng Noel Primo. Baila bin na tungam zo gawa na to Chamorus sinidaw gi pogi presenti mapudgi na sinahi. Sa agirudata din sunay jumuk italo. Talay dikikit na jumuk. Talaga gisa guys mapudgi na sinahi. Kailangan na very awesome na sinahi. Thousand di ala solda lenget na primo. So it cannot be a cagadero. It can never will be. So if you were to our ancestors now, they need a lot of fast object to make. Okay, there's one here. This is another one. Ipandanipoyo is another sinker. From the one I have to say the illustration. Zani ufinatinosu. No. That is a sinker, is italic, yung nili. No, isang papa, ipoyo, agad solda, dikiki na poyo about the size of a golf ball. Yeah, dikiki, jadi di dangkulo. Kasi idangkulo na isang patausa, manalzi no, ay igwas, no? Halfway dikikin, ga igwas no, taginin na size golf ball. Malumo na mausa PO, the golf PO, and they put a hole on it in the top. So that is just my interpretation. The red color there that you see at the top left, that is found in Zigo, if I'm not mistaken. There was a traditional fishing of worm. It's made out of pottery, and it has a kira, dos puntas and italo. Kira it's a more groove, okay? Nakira, no? It's a fish hanger ni magudi tali sa hilo, gitalo. Besidos na hagwit gi tali ofra na kudet gi left and right side. That is similar than is to lang ni si gaigi kipon mamofona si Scott Russell. He's mislabeled it si Scott Russell. It's a buto lang ni just like this and guado hook is anal gitalo. Doc, I believe I know you've seen a retroto illustration. There, it's good. Okay. That one, the very bottom there, no, the top one, that. The other one. Okay. Go back onto the same place, no illustration. There, sorry, no. So see the bone in the bottom there, guys. Bilibdun Scott Russell, tipon mo for na sa alabo si Mrs. Scott. To yes, Scott na so man, this is not a penda. It looks like a penda, but it's not. Because I know Chogis is a Fakina system actual piece. I researched that the regional indigenous people of Taiwan is using exactly so. It's like a hanger with two hook on the side. So that is like by illustration, and in the bottom part, I created an actual piece to showcase that. That's how they've done it. And there's another one that there. It's a lot of the round shana, the circle, the okay, see there in the middle. Is there a way to zoom this? There's 5 artifacts in there. Okay, see guys. Okay, all of these are my illustration of what I created, but those sinahi there. The second one from the top down is the one that's found in Alamogan. Tamano matungo na gagi na is in tatoto sa Manaizu Gidit si Luza lengya but istigi masudang is alamokan on a human skull right down there. So that is the proof of it. Gaigi no na sinahi gi skull. The uno na tauto who happens to have some experience in archaeology. Nga nagaza tatsek taatan ilumu, which is the hip go lohi patpalon. And the magwando sa maatan na masunday lumo, it's lohi. It's not the onsu niya hip boda lohi. So that is the proof that it was found right under the neck of the ulung tauto. So that explains it. Now, all along, what Angel have been doing is correct. Now, there might be challenges on it, though, to do ano pa matinas na kadero. You don't need to go for how many hours to make just one. You need a lot to do it right away. You know, di ba no tsantik na tinos mo. Kasi di siya first illustration dang no yun eh. Do wasya gid ang papa na kadero. If you can come along with that illustration, I would be happy to share it with jadi gagi bula no. Okay, that's Gamsu. Okay, here it is. Now, Ben, balago sa no final, edi akaleya gisan nilo ne. Do ang ginugasa those are seashells. Inside is they rounded off. They remove the inside, the spiral stairs in there. They remove it. And one of the things that it served is that it served as a summer where they, you know, iji kaningyan ne mana matala sa kola leji mana only pas mapesa masawa no lum gana gi matuki akaleya ne. Whereas kisang papa no, it can also be without the kadgadero, the sinker. And then iji kaniniguyan gi sanalo ne tutuhu papa ni siyempre na no pisiguyan ni gagi hagari kadnada siyempre kanno pas alina tutuhu papa pisika over that kon. So that is one interesting artifact that I put together, how I believe our ancestors smart enough to collect, to catch fish at different time of the year. Como moti tasi, malinoy tasi, ofluy tasi, no como tsoutsoy tasi, zagwa poksu. There's a totally different ball game. And I want to share with you with those illustration dog that I show you with a different net, I mean the different sizes of balls. And this one is very interesting because in northern Markpi area is a Makpi uno na tautos lang kada do. Yes, Bisay no. Kada muliw kiji papa gitasi Makpi na. Okay, Markpi is like a cliffside no. Como malinoy tasi jigi ni pumipes ka free dive. Jalengya bula la soldado rundu nakso. From golf balls, tennis ball size to volleyball size. So, and top of that, dos na marduk. Dikiki dos marduk. So, iso na marduk, no, there's an illustration there how they, mananata man pesca way back the cliffside, but agitagi, ujugi inay ja chauchoy tasi, ja tisinya man hujong. There's a totally different method that I believe that's how they, you know, they fish. So the top of those slings looks like a slingstone kadgadero ne, kira all around it, groove. O gwana ba ni tres na kira, ang ginanatan, gwana ba ni quattro, o gwana ba ni not only vertical but horizontal. You know, ikira. And on the bottom part is also different way the gamaduk. On the square one, there's also like a square sinker that is flat, right? Look at the square, right? The flat side. That's also a sinker where they put it. Masagon all gisin fish trap. Isa na alumi fish trap. Iji nasa. Ipuro manyugyuk papa. So that's a totally different kind. Now, all those round balls on the bottom, I showed the different sizes, but there's an illustration there that from a guy fishing from the cliffside going down. And that illustration is unique that I believe that's how they fish, because I don't think our ancestors gonna go down after the storm to fish near the cliffside. They come up with an ingenious way, and it is used today. So, Doc, if you find that illustration of the guy on the cliffside, on the so those balls on the bottom will show you the my interpretation of how they do fishing on the cliffside or during that's just a different one.
Oh, wait, when did oh wait, when did to download? Wait,
Okay, that's right. So that's the one. Okay, that's okay. That's the one I replicated.
oh here, naizon rato sinot.
Okay.
Sige,
So-
beked.
Okay, so anyway, our ancestors, they have different way of the fishing techniques. The way they fished because of different climate, of different changes, and so the Sinahi for me is not a secret. It's not a calgadero. There's absolutely no, and to prove it is the skull that was found in Alamarang there with one of the underneath the neck. That is the proof of it is in the shape of the moon. And I think that we're not the only one in the Pacific area who wears that kind of pendant with the moon shape. Just some part in Solomon Island and then Papua New Guinea. Exactly the same, has to do with the moon.
Ay, si tus si senor Hungano, hugof comfort me. Hugof comfort me na pudi. Da malago to humungog na hafa na sosunya na si senor sinay pudesti sa hu hahasui sinangan mo put maput pogo mamatitinas alahas taigwini. Za hasu na hasu tatigi champu para i man mofot na tautauta. Koparun
Otsua,
Hunggan kopon usaw un sinahi tay guihinay na pon like pega i lagwamo nay sa pon san nano ni itasi. So malago to humungog na ihinasomo podesti sa hago un usay mismo kanay mo paresta megay anyos za un fatinas esti sa guahatao to masasangan ginini kamputan niha ginini telefonia o esti syempre tagwini za tagwini lo hago un usay kanay mo pare esti un experiencia pues hafe na somo senyor sinay podesti.
Jadi todo pinete nosso no usa rementan pogo. Anai mapatina si sinai antes totti. Taza eletricidade, taza diamond bit, taza ni ini tagi rementan pogo. Mas makat po masugi na kasi na alahas. Makat po masugi pogo. Jadi rementan pogo. Mas makat masugi antes totti. Puma gwes-gwes, puma IP i hima. Pespo mapapatina si apa na klase sinai manalgonia. Pespo pumadulog watsugay. Watso na maduk. Pumadulog. Pespo pega kon godi zugi papatikin pariguyan. Afangin gadun gi atsu pat gi koru. Libyano mapi. Usa atsu. Bula atsu kita kontentasi na pon na cetu ni tekin gisan papai itasi. Paraguao. Dinansi Noel na giza no paisin na kumagahin na masoda no gigagi estina alas sa Paraguay estina klase na alas makapon soda ginaftan ya taor sa pumana para pumanoi hi adino esti para iguinahan pamilya Makat na ono tu i mate. Es con todo antes tati magwado kudu ni kalabera na itu. Papega ki sola, zama olla. Apa po matogi, mafaisin. Kalabera na ulu, Pues na matu Espanyol. Iso. Sa masonggi, todo tu. Jadi si grandpa todo tu para siya no isaw. Lo na los ay ti Paraguay ungen din ansa no well ti sinker ba. No Paraguay no ungen din ansi no alohas ba. Tanayi no grands and todi pamilya na again makan matopi no mga mahapot.
Senor Ben,
Yeah.
Senor Ben, qua question ginin un tau me ega. Qua question.
Okay.
So, con hasu, do you remember the first sinahi that you ever saw and ginin manu? Hadzifu manui how? Manu, con hasu ginin manu and on a sinahi, or the first time you saw a sinahi?
Pinili na sinahi no Antes tati late 90s, late 90s, mid 90s, 20 tagi no dos o tres na artifacts ginunuli. No Paraguay tigwija ja ti posisyonya ti sinahiya. Why ji sinahi ginunuli na posisyonya no sakman. Posisyonya sakman. Dala lagi di dos punta. Za putput di talulu. Za ano ka na ikwa Paraguay dos sinya no ano ka i sakman ano ka i pilan lawa masaya hafa todo maduluk Portugal todo ji masoda si dono weo ji gatongnya si giza tinian asoda ji legnya mapurgi na sinai si Johnny Cake si Gwensa gua unu tagi asoda go eko manunu hulu giza jigu somewhere giza jigu no gagi SKC museum Johnny Cake collection. Ya, anu gagi. Ya. Pues sa dos soli tagi na unugin in tinian, unugin in wam. No parewa positionnya.
Wow.
Da dos ginin hima.
So, that's a very interesting line, Sinaisa. Remember that I show you one of my small apa sila niya no horn helmet no nakulo ni Dikiki.
Unggan.
The
Di
pareho exactly the same. Yeah, that was fun. Right, because Gogi's there, Saipan is Atsugo. They're doing exactly the same shape. The one is exactly. So see, that's the thing now that you mentioned that there's one found in Guam exactly like Mundo, ne? So what is it? Yeah. Yeah, the Luta. So here's the thing. Right. So here's the thing is in every island, archipelago, every island manufactures all of it, but every village have also different shapes.
Parewi na tao politiko no divide and conquer na ba. The colonizer na lignia na divide and conquer that divided ne. Lost man one hit.
Yeah, right. 1975.
Pwede na parewa no artifacts guato gitalumo dan artifacts Guam dan todo Marianas.
Manita ne todo.
Todo do mangay sinay sidon soda sinay todo Guam luta no todo do Saipan Tinian hulu todo.
All the way up north.
All the way. Yeah.
And then here's the thing is that Sinahi is not a sinker. Okay, and I just want to say that it's,
Libiano mapi gi atsu brother, angin godun gi atsu per gi koro godun da Libiano mapi gi 2 punta.
exactly.
I last my 1 year na totsu.
So here's the thing is to make a traditional. If you tell me there's a traditional name, it has to be the traditional tools, everything to make one Sinahi. To be honest with you, with all the traditional, lima, matani, todo klase na yun,
Yeah.
probably 6 months to 1 year just to make sa tamano po. I got it in Guam in 1990 in one of the Ipo Guam. It was in the Ipo area. It's broca. Okay, and I've been using the word broca. That's the palm drill because I found the weight of the palm drill in a Chugo. And one white archaeologist goes, "Oh, you guys don't do anything of Yapis money or stone money." Because no, this is not Yapis money or stone money. This is the weight of the. And I prove it to him wrong, and after that, he never talked to me, and if I do it, see. So Fatina Sibroka, that's what I've been conducting workshop here in Washington State. Actually, I make all the.
Na totsu do kung dulu
Yeah.
kisi.
So I've been using. Here's the thing: is I've been using the word broca. Then it's a Spanish word. Then I finally found it. They call it Gitsamoro the Pablo Busisi. I found the word Busisi. That's how they drill this here. Now, what I'm really looking at when I go to slide is to find the anvil to drill the sinahe because it has to be some kind of a rock that holds this steady, and then the pump drill to pump this to right here and very slowly, and also to do it right in here. So if there's some kind of, I believe there's some kind of like a stone anvil with some curvature on it that will have that where they're gonna tie it down and to pump the to make the hole on it. Now it's easy to make, and now everybody's replicating different kinds of materials. I mean, the different kind of stone and everything, but the authenticity of the Sinahi is Hima on this side to be made, manufactured, everything without iron or metal. It's gonna be the one. It's probably the one that I will take me a long time to make. But if I were to auction that, maybe it will go from $100,000. I have to.
You know what? You know what?
So the Alahas na is the one, and there's one I will Ben Lagos Sumario. Okay, there's one if all the slingstone yung solda, right? We call it Atsuatupak, but it was written in the Frisianate in 1819 in Guam. Matugi Disapatu, that's what's the name of it. If you find a slingstone with a real pointed end, okay, then you got it again and you can spin it around. Look for in the thick section, look for 2 holes in there, 2 holes the size of a pinhole. It's the size of a pinhole. That is a totally different pendant. It is a slingstone worn vertically like this. And I thought I had it with me, but I will show you guys one day. So yeah, to all the people that's watching, like, there's so many unanswered. I don't have all the answer. I've seen some artifacts in Tinian I will never understood up to now. But I found a way to in Natsugo or Saipan, Natsugo area. There's a lot of aliling pulan, the aliling. But the aliling, the shell, the aliling is like it's cracked into 2 pieces like that. You just crack it and throw it away. Okay. I found how they crack that thing into 2 pieces, and it's very hard. But it was so happened I was having an interview with KUM in November '96, I believe, when I was tinkling with that, and then I found how to crack that aliling pulan into 2 pieces. Our ancestors are very smart, man. They're very innovative. They know what to do, how to do to for their daily livings. They reason out that's how they catch. And to Doug illustration I show you, I believe I gave one to your grandpa when he came to me, and I gave him it's a octopus lure. So I've been doing, I found this octopus lure, 3 pieces. One is the seashells, and the other one is, has a stone weight on the bottom. And I found how they put it all together. Okay, so this is what I've been doing as a gift item. One of the interesting is that there is a petroglyph somewhere in, I think in Nichinya or Roda, that has the symbol of this Haggard Gamsum. And as I keep going out, the other Haggard Gamsum I found is there's 5 different ways how to catch octopus. And the octopus favorite food is the tiger curry. At the bottom is the stone that has a kira all around it, where they put a shaft and put a totlan, and then the epoxy at the side is to propel. So no matter how you throw this in the ocean, you always glide down like a helicopter because of the buoyancy, and it stays like that. And it's recorded that they take that and put in the canoe, and they paddle the canoe in the grassy area, and they just say octopus, when they see that, they will get there and we eat it. And we're not the only ones doing this. Hawaii, the Melanesian, the Polynesians, and a lot of us in the Micronesians have been doing this. So those are the things that I like to find. Yes, that's how our ancestors survived. That's how we exist, because of they know how to create things. And yeah.
Si pasi sunod nan gofdzao esti na kompensasyon zan lo guataw man makakamenting na za pues zan man mamamaisin question lokwi. So
Okay.
pues all right, sa finet na hunggan gaigigwini si Senyor Rich McLeod niya taw luta hagogo sa esti na kompensasyon ilek niya si Senyor Fabian bless you lokwi ilek niya pairi na show
Apa David sih?
hunggan go si Senyor Rich ako agradece hamzo na dos ilek niya bonito isa
Dan Marcel.
hakakasidzo lokwi lo ilek niya zan gagilokwi si Hilaan San Nicolas Magof gwi na hagagat sa estina show guataw to lokwi maeega gi Instagram hunggan si dus masipod ineega lo uno na question gin in Facebook za ilek niya hafay sines niya, why are there no documents or writings about the Sinahi? Why is it that the Spanish over 300 years don't show any pictures of Chamorros wearing it? Why is it that they don't write about Chamorros wearing it? And how come Chamorros never wore it for the past 100 years? And why is it that they only start wearing it now?
Okay. I want to answer that, because those are the things. The Spanish intention of coming to the Marianas is exactly what they did to the Aztecs and the Mayans. They brought the 3-letter G, gold, God, and glory. And that's my analysis. So they were looking around the world for gold, and the glory is to conquer the people and to preach the God. What the Spanish did not do is that they don't care about our culture. They committed genocide. They don't care. They didn't collected everything. So there are times I wonder, what if the English were here and not the Spanish? Man, we could have a lot of written documents, but they're not interested. They destroy everything. They destroy everything in a way to make us forget about the illegal, to make us forget our culture, our language, and everything. That's why all of a sudden, what the Spanish did is that's how they treated us. That's why they're not interested to document. They have no time to do that. They don't want it. And that's for me, that's my interpretation of how much I'm just the way they did it. And that's the reason why the Spanish never documented us in terms of our life and everything, our physique. I mean, there's a certain part that they did document, the 3-letter, the high class systems, and very little bit about it. But Fresnay did a lot of documentation. The only priest during that time was one pobre who wrote a list of good article information about the life of the Chamorro people. But most of that, no, we were suppressed. We were prohibited from
The
doing a
reduction.
lot of things.
The reduction.
Yeah, the reduction. Yeah, thank you, buddy.
No, si Zeus Masi. Hunggan zahon na mention lokwi hunggan governance si senyor kidogonay the timan interesado na español puri kustonta y kotata y tinigota aptan hafe legnya si magalahin harao. They treat our history as fables and fiction.
Right.
Pues tima cuentutos y mañanata guihina champo, but this story of Fauna and Puntan is very fascinating. We should unpack it and analyze its cultural symbolism. Matugi ano papa después masangan ekungo kestina dinagi gininestina man santanas na klasen tauto. And so that's part of the problem, is that what the Spanish write down is
What,
incredibly incomplete. Senor, Senor Sinai, go ahead and contribute, por favor.
We didn't have any, we didn't have documentation before the arrival of the colonizers. We had it through all of our cultures and histories was passed on through dance, through oral interpretations, to pictographs. That's how our culture and everything was passed on. When the colonizers arrived, anything that was important to us was they tried to erase. We were masters of the ocean. We were masters of the ocean. They took away all of our words for the canoe. We don't even know the words of our canoe. We just those all the words that are made today. They just, you know what I mean? Even all our dance. They're giving the master of the dancer of the whatever. But none of those are traditional from the way back of the way when. So culture is an evolution. It's dynamic. We move with the times. I don't know what to say. Are we wearing the Sinai in the correct way? I don't think so. Maybe not. But I'm glad that the evolution has happened, where anybody in the world can see a Sinai and they know where that Sinai is from. And it's from the Mariana Islands. And we know that it's made from clamshell, but people now make it from clam horn, cowboy horn. They make it from rocks. They make it from coral. But we all know it's from Tima. But we accept it because the shape is there and it represents us. It's still a representation of us because the evolution is there. I've had friends that in the middle of the States, they don't even know each other, but they saw the guy wearing a Sinai from across the mall to the other side of the mall. They walked up to each other and they said, "Hey, go to Chamorro." And from that point on, they were friends forever. So there's an evolution. It's dynamic. I don't know whether you accept it or what. We don't, I've accepted it. I wear it how I want it. Because the shapes and designs and everything that I wear, I know it's validated from the artifacts that are found. How it's worn correctly, we don't know. Is the dance is correct? I don't know. But the question today was respect for the culture, respect for the Sinai. And that is my thought of today, is that it has evolved to represent the indigenous of the Marianas chain. So anywhere in the world, any airport you go, I know that when they see that on your neck, they already know where you're from. So I'm happy about that. From our little island, from our little island chain, or from a little island of Guam, whatever, from 8 miles wide to 30 miles long, that the whole world wants, that we're the tip of the spear, that we're collateral damage, that the colonizers are making us happy over here. Sorry to throw that in with a curveball, but hey, it's the truth. Colonizers are here, and we voice our opinion on everything, but they never listen. The colonizers never listen.
Mhm.
But hey, these kind of stuff that we wear, it says, hey, we're still here. We're still here. I don't care what you do, we're still here.
Hungen. Magahedan now, senor, magahedan now. And Hilaan, who is tuning in, says he wants to also add into the conversation and say that he says, I'm sure that ancient Chamorros were also smart enough to keep their most intimate sacred knowledge secret from their oppressors as well.
Of course.
And so that's we always have to remember too, is that whenever somebody comes into a culture today or 300 years ago, they're not going to see everything.
Of course.
And so,
You keep your secrets.
Hungan, and so even if the Spanish did see what a Sinahi was used for, or even if the Spanish did see Sinahis back then, it does not even make sense that they would have it does not mean that they would have understood it or cared. One of the things is that we need to
You don't just give your gold to anybody.
Hungan, no Hungan. When we look at all of the jewelry, all the adornment that we have, the Spanish really only mention two consistently in all of their accounts. And so that shows you that they didn't care.
So I saw some this. I think the Freycinet collection showed a couple of pictures of some things that was found back in the day. So they've already been discovered. Back in
And
the
so,
time beginning of the colonizers. Yeah.
Hungan, we have more people that are tuning in now, but we're almost out of time though. I want to give time for one more question though. Para Hamzuna dos.
Sure.
And so this question comes from YouTube. Are there any unanswered questions about Sinahi or about how our ancestors fished that you hope that we can learn one day from the past? So, that in time we may be able to learn things from detailed analysis. I still think that there's still some analysis that we can do on the Sinahi where we can come to a more definitive understanding about what the Sinahi was used for. I still think that a lot of even archaeologists, it's more anecdotal. They say, "Oh, I've never seen this. It's not that," or this and that. But I think that we can come
You
to
don't
a more
bury your wealth. You pass it to the next generation.
Mhm.
Something that takes a year to make. You're not just gonna bury it. You say, hey, thank you, Grandpa, but this is gonna go to like that.
Hungan.
So if the only ones that are buried with the individuals, if he's a very high prominent chief or a chief of the chief, he would be buried with one, and the rest will be passed on to the next generation. And you don't tell people your secrets. You wouldn't tell the colonizers your wealth. Yeah.
Hungan. And so anything
One of the questions that kind of still lingers in my mind is what we call it is it culturally appropriate, in terms of the Sinahi, which gender is supposed to be using it, or how is it going to be? Is it restricted with the Sinahi or the women? I guess that the one that's found in Alimaga tells that he was worn by a man. The Sinahi was found under his neck. So
And the
that
Queen of
question,
Ipoh was covered in spondylus. She
what was
was
that?
the Queen of Ipoh.
The spondylus,
The
okay.
Queen of Ipoh was covered in spondylus.
So that means spondylus.
Woman wears the spondylus.
Yeah. In the Anagwan, in Garapan, Saipan, they found roughly about 300 3 layers of slingstone, a total of about 250 to 300. What the bottom part was a woman. So that in itself is
And
just
we had
like
a
mind
matrilineal
blowing.
on the side.
Yeah, so here's the thing: is like but now it's it's a cultural identity for us, and that's what I word is something,
Yeah,
That's
we all together.
exactly. So to me, there's still some other stuff that maybe it's just not just a Sinai, maybe there's other kinds of artifacts or jury Allah has that maybe one day we'll get together and a few of us to showcase what
Sure.
religion do you have so we can see each other and we talk about it, and each one should have their own theories about it, or the the assumptions of what it might have been used for. That's all the things like that I really want to get into it, is to my heart dan corazon no dan espiritu gaigin sa tatigan mo siya gaigin sa Washington no gaigin sa tatigan mo ta.
And Senor Sinai, Kogwa, do you have any final thoughts? Koga ultimo na siningan mo?
Ano, sana makasip po todo no invitasyon, dan todo no, todo tautog yung no, muweka mo sinangan pa. Sana makasip.
Ay, de hung. Govzao esti na kompetisyon za hungen sineta chogwe esti talo. Sineta chogwe esti talo otribiyay esta hu sangani na si helaan un sinahi symposium. Sineta kombida hu kombida lokwi na si Pulan, si Edleon Guerrero, Financi Judy Flores lokwi benti. Za hungen nita diskuti esti sagwa otro tau manahuhudzong esti informasyon ti bonito goflatsi finatana sa AI, gini ni kolehon galabok za baba nihita juday tautauta sa manyalang itautauta manyalang itautauta kololo niya juy manyasiga gisan lago manyalang sa timatungo hadzi siya timegay tiningon niya put i Chamoruta, i historiata, so pues nihita ajudasia. Lo, hu agradecemos una dos, por ifinatumidzo para Fanachu. Adiós. Zao, hamzo lokwe ni ume ega zanu me ekungo ka adiós. Este aqui